Rocket Lab is minus 8.69% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 25th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Rocket Lab, a major global company. Rocket Lab is down 8.69% to $63.91 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $63.51 and $69.55. The long-term fundamentals for Rocket Lab revolve around earnings, macro conditions, and sector trends. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab sets webcast for second quarter results, stock tighten. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes fall, with Iran and earnings season in focus. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ lags on angst over RE spending ahead of earnings reports. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Nestlé plunged minus 7.98% to 79 Swiss francs and 29 Rappen in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by consumers shun mid-sized packs amid price squeeze, Nestlé says Yahoo Finance. Emerging market volume growth in Asia and Africa is where the long-term compounding story lives. Watch for any guidance update on organic growth acceleration. The market needs to see evidence that volumes are inflecting before re-rating the multiple. Samsung made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 7.59% to 249,500 Korean wons. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. SoftBank Group made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 7.06% to 5,500 yen. Equity markets are responding to reports that why did SoftBank Group, SFTBY, stock soar over 14% today, cave out RE. The technical picture for SoftBank Group has deteriorated. The 5,170 yen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Here is our analytical view on Rocket Lab from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab sets webcast for second quarter results, stock tighten. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst. Neutron program milestones are the re-rating event the market is waiting for. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is our spotlight on Rocket Lab from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.